Okay guys, here we are with an Urban One update. So I'm just recording this video right as pre-market is opened and things are not looking good. So right now, Urban One has absolutely been crushed. So there's a little bit of discrepancy in the election results. Okay, we're going to talk about that. As of right now, the casino proposal has been rejected, but there still is hope. So I'm going to talk about a little bit about this in this video. Why right now, okay, I didn't go obviously all in on this position. So I'm still want to probably hold until Friday. But like I said, a lot of people have ran for the exits, but me personally, I'm just trying to stay optimistic with this. So we're going to talk a little bit more about the proposal and get right into the bulk of the video, guys. Before I get into the video, guys, I want to be sure. So guys, Webull is one of my favorite stock trading apps out there to trade stocks like Urban One. If you guys use the link in the description below, you get your 2 free stocks. 1 free stock when you open your brokerage account, and your 2nd free stock when you direct deposit. So let's get back into the video, guys. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I talked about the risk reward ratio here. Okay, basically we were waiting for the casino proposal to happen. If that had happened based on this stock's low float, it really would have went to the moon. But we had a little bit of issues here. So let's talk a little bit about exactly what happened. So here's an article. This article is posted on Virginia Business. It says, too close to call, but Richmond Casino appears unlikely. No votes lead by about 1,200 ballots, but Urban One says it will wait for final total. So the voting was done on Tuesday. They counted all the votes. And right now, the proposal has been rejected, which is ridiculous because the last 4 proposals for all casinos in Virginia were all accepted. So it's obviously very frustrating. This was a really, really exciting project. It was going to bring a lot of economic activity to the neighborhood. It was going to create a lot of jobs and just kind of provide a nice place for people to gamble and things like that. And it's quite in line with kind of the trend globally. Okay, gambling all over the world is up. All, North America, Asia, Latin America, Africa, etc. So I was really expecting this to get passed. So let's talk a little bit about where that happened. So it says 51.4% of Richmond voters said no to the measure by a 1,200 vote margin, according to the Virginia Department of Elections unofficial results, compared to 48.56% who supported the referendum. So let's actually go to those results. So as you can see here, we're taking a look at the poll results. This is on NBC 12. As you can see here, the people that voted no just by about just by a few thousand votes. Okay, not too many. So the problem is that there are some votes that are still going to trickle in. Okay, so obviously, the decision hasn't been made yet, but a lot of people are saying that it's going to be maybe unlikely. So I don't really know. Obviously a lot of people have sent in their votes. They haven't finished counting all of the votes, and all of the other casinos were accepted, but there's a lot of risk here, and I can see why a lot of people ran for the exits. Okay, we're really on the fence here. So as you can see here, right now it's trading at around $6.79 after hours. So it was up as high as $12.75 on yesterday's close after hours, and literally the stock has lost half its value in one day. But like I said, guys, I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen. The voting decision is so close here. And also earnings is coming up. Okay, earnings is coming up on Thursday as well. So there's a couple of catalysts here. Even if the proposal doesn't get accepted, they do have a backup plan to try to build a casino in Central Virginia. But I'm not going to lie, really disappointed. Probably should have locked in some gains, and after hours trading got a little greedy, but that's part of the game, guys. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some. If you guys been following this channel over the past 2 years, we made good gains on AMC, we made good gains on Tesla stock, we made good gains on Lucid Motors. Like I said, I don't have a 100% success rate. I'm not gonna make great picks in every single one, and this pick is I still think there's something here. Okay, so like I said, this company is so undervalued, and the enterprise value compared to the market cap is just ridiculous, and I think a lot of people ran for the exit. So I do think if you're thinking long term, if you're thinking that if the proposal gets rejected, they're going to have a backup plan, and you want to pick up some shares at $6, there's plenty of support here. Okay, there's plenty of support at around $6.30. So we really haven't seen this stock trade below $6.30 since May 20th, when most of these tech stocks, EV stocks and things like that were really selling off. And then we had that big bullish movement. So, I'm down a bit, but like I said, guys, I never usually go all in or all in on these types of stocks. I just allocate a small portion of my portfolio. And like I said, if you're building a balanced portfolio, you're going to have some positions go up, some positions go down. But overall, over the long run, you should be going up. So now what I think is going to happen is I think that we're going to find out the official results on Friday. And there's going to be a lot of speculating here, okay? So we have the earnings call coming up on Thursday. Hopefully the company will post positive earnings. But right now, I'm really on the fence. I don't know. Now, there is a bit of upside potential here, okay? Let's say the last of those absentee ballots come in and the proposal does get accepted. Well, now you're looking at a stock that's $6 that now the risk reward is much higher, because literally if this proposal gets accepted, we could see Urban One stock go to, like I was saying earlier, maybe $20, $30, $40, because this casino is going to definitely take them over the $1 billion market cap. It is the type of catalyst that this company has really needed for a very long time. But like I said, right now, things aren't looking 100% great. So like I said, do your own due diligence here. I'm going to update you guys because I don't think we're going to know the official results probably until either at the end of today, so maybe at the end of Wednesday, Friday at the latest. I'll be sure to update you guys on what's going on. Be sure to follow me on Twitter as well. You guys can get the link in the description below. But it looks like there's a huge panic sell-off, and it looks like a lot of smart dip buyers have come in and picked up the shares. So I don't think it's going to trade nearly as low, below $6. I think there's going to be a lot of bargain hunters in there. So most likely we'll probably end up hovering probably between, I would say, $6 to $8 until we get an official word. If the proposal is 100% rejected, then we could see the last bag holders kind of just sell for a loss and move on. So like I said, guys, there is some risk here. I would say if you were just wanting a safer play that you thought like was guaranteed to go through, you could probably take a look at some of these other plays that are going on, like Bed Bath & Beyond. There's some other plays, if you guys are looking to make quick gains in some of these stocks that are being heavily shorted and you think there's going to be a short squeeze. So like I said, guys, a little disappointed that the proposal wasn't unanimously accepted. It's super close now, as I mentioned earlier, 51%, 49%. We'll see what happens to the last absentee ballots. I'm probably not going to panic sell right now, simply because if I was going to sell, it probably would have sold yesterday or even in pre-market. But like I said, I might even average down as well. I don't have so many shares of this stock, so I might just pick up some more shares, reduce my cost average. The risk reward is there. If this stock runs, it could really provide 2, 3, 4x upside, and it's not going to plummet all the way to $1. So they also have a backup plan as well. So things aren't, like I said, if they don't end up building it in Richmond, perhaps they can build it in Central Virginia or something else. But I do believe that this casino will eventually get built within the next few years. So for you guys out there especially you younger guys out there, if you're looking to hold this long term, I think if you hold Urban One throughout this decade, I think you're going to be pretty satisfied with your gains. And like I said, you don't have to go all in on this. You can just allocate maybe a small percentage of your portfolio or whatever your risk tolerance is, guys. So like I said, I'll give you guys an update when I get more information. But right now, so far, it looks like the proposal will not get accepted, but we're not 100% sure. So I'll let you guys know. So just follow me on Twitter. I'll give you guys some more updates. So if you guys enjoyed my video, please smash the red subscribe button, hit the like button as well, because it's good for the algorithm. That's all I got. Until next time, guys. Take care.